Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. So today we are making sabudanache kheer or tapioca pudding. It's one kind of pudding and we are going to make it in our instant pot. As you all are aware of, we are having this Vrat special. Tomorrow Navratri is going to start and lot of people fast. So for that we have taken 1 cup of sabudana or tapioca pearls. It's not soaked, it's just out of the bag. 2 cups of milk. Here it's half a cup of sugar, mixed nuts, this is optional, 1 tablespoon of ghee. This is clarified butter or ghee. If you are vegan, you can just substitute it with coconut oil, and the milk can be substituted with coconut milk. This is 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Again, this is optional. This is freshly ground cardamom powder and saffron strands, and this is half a cup of water. So let's get started. So put the instant pot on saute mode. More. I'm adding the ghee and I'm going to saute mixed nuts. Here I took slivered almonds, some cashews and some golden raisins. We are going to just saute it for a minute or so. We don't want to burn anything. I'm turning off the saute mode by pressing cancel button, and I'm going to add the tapioca or sabudana. Just a quick stir. To that I'm going to add 2 cups of milk, and half a cup of water. Again, a quick stir. Put 1 tablespoon of milk powder. This is optional. After stirring, I'm just adding half a cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your family's likings or taste buds. A quick stir, and I'm just going to put 2 strands of saffron now, and later we will add again. So put the lid. Instant pot on sealing mode. Put manual, and this high pressure should be on low pressure. I have just adjusted it for 5 minutes and we'll come back. So once 5 minutes are done, I'm just going to press cancel. So the cooking is going to stop, and then we are going to wait for natural release. After the natural release, open the lid very carefully. Wow, the aroma is so good. Just going to stir it. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of, I have just added half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and I'm going to add few more saffron strands. Stir and put the lid back. And keep it like this for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And it's cooked perfectly now. You can see all the pearls have puffed up, almost double in size. Now if you wish, you can definitely add little bit of hot milk in it, but we like it this way. What I'm going to do is something which I forgot to do. I'm going to just add a pinch of salt. Any sweet dish enhances its flavors when you add just a pinch of salt. And also I'm adding few pistachio, and that's it. We are all done. So if you like this quick recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Happy cooking. Bye bye.